Hey guys, Jason Guyman here with PressureWashHelp.com, and today I want to talk to you about Google Ads, and I'm going to kind of give you my background in it and everything we do with Google Ads. Now, I know I got a lot of trainings coming out about Google Ads, and so that will be useful for you if you want to go that route. But so the reason why we use Google Ads for our business was in 2014-15ish. I started using it. I did all the SEO stuff, tried to get our SEO up, get our maps listing up, get everything up, but we just wanted more business. We wanted to add that second truck, we wanted to add that third truck, we wanted to add that fourth truck. And without a way to scale something, Google has kind of hurt the organic SEO. Does organic SEO work? Absolutely it does. It still works today. You can still get some business. Are you going to get as much as you used to, say, 7-8 years ago? Nope. You are not going to get that business what you used to get 7-8 years ago from just organic. You can get your maps listing up. You can get organic search words, and blog every day and put a ton of content out. But you're going to have to put a ton of content out. This isn't going to happen overnight of, oh, I put my website and that's all I'm going to do. It's not going to work. You're not going to get business. If you're looking for a main keyword, if you're looking for pressure washing, you're almost 6 swipes on your cell phone to get down to the organic stuff. Nobody's going that far. I'm sorry to tell you. Most people are going to probably stop at maps, because at least with your maps, they're going to see if you got your 5-star reviews, if you have 5-star reviews. If not, that is where you're going to be at. So what I've done is for Google Ads, and what I've done is I've actually am offering a service for setup. If you just want me to set up your Google Ads, I use all our old keywords, all our negative keywords, all our positive keywords, the whole 9 yards. And I'll set up all your AdWords. Or if you want me to manage your AdWords, I still set up everything for you. I set up the negative keywords, the positive. I set up your ads for your area, the whole 9 yards, and it'll just run, and I'll do that for you. That's another service. Or if you just want my negative key list, your negative keywords, I could save you hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars on just my negative keywords for you. So those are my 3 things I'm offering. If you want to keep learning about AdWords, I'm going to keep putting videos out every Wednesday. Every Wednesday I'll have a marketing video come out. So every Wednesday you'll see something about, right now I'm doing a series of AdWords. I'll probably have 4 to 6 videos just of AdWords, and you can learn how to do it all yourself and make it work right. And that's fine. I hope the best for you. I mean, I wish I had this for me when I was learning this, instead of learning by trial and error. So I hope that helps you out. If you want to, you can check out all my AdWords stuff up here, and you can also go to PressureWashHelp.com/Google Ads, and that will take you to the AdWords page. Thank you and have a great day.